Hello everyone, I welcome you all on Brain Refueler YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn ratio and proportion chapter. This is a very important chapter of Afcat, or you can say maths, because it makes your base and you can use the concept of this chapter in other chapter also. So without wasting your time, I'm starting my teaching. Okay, okay. So a ratio in math is a term that is used to compare two or more numbers, and it is used to indicate how big or small a quantity it is. Okay, so we do a comparison in different way. Like I can say this person is 2 years more than this person. I'm doing comparison. It is also a sort of comparison. Okay, but it is not a ratio. But when I do comparison by dividing, it is called ratio. Suppose your age is X and this boy age is 2 times than you. So what I can write? 2 times than your age. Now, so when I do compare, I will say x upon 2x, it will be 1 by 2, and I can write this in form 1:2. So it is a ratio, and sign of ratio is this. Ratio we write in a lowest form. Okay, because when I say this person is twice of this person, so it is not an exact value. Okay, suppose he is 4 years 8 is, so he will be 8 years. He will be 6, so he will be 12. So that is a pattern we going to follow in a ratio. Okay, okay. So I know that it is a ratio, so I can say 1a and 2a, because multiplying with a will not affect this much. Okay, because I can cancel that. So I think you got a definition of a ratio. Okay, okay. And here the dividend is called antecedent and divisor is called the consequent. Okay, I think you got this thing. Means antecedent will be this one and consequent will be this one. Okay, so these things will not come in your examination. So why are teaching? Just shake for better understanding. Okay, okay. So let's suppose it is a question A ratio B and B ratio C. It is 2:3. It is 6:4. And the question is, what is A ratio B ratio C? This is the first question. So how you are going to tackle this question? You have to merge the ratio, and you have to see the common thing here, that B is common. B is also here, B is also here, but B's value is different. So what you will do, you will make sure B value will be same. So what you will do, you will multiply by 2. So it will be 4 and 6. Here you will not do any change, because it is a 6 and you have to make sure the value of B will be 6. So you got 6, you got 6. So now you can combine this ratio. So you got 4, 6 and 4. Or you can write in a more short term, 2, 3 Okay, okay. That is the first question. In examination, they can ask you to merge the ratio. So you have to merge like this. Okay, okay. So these type of question we will do further. Let's jump into a most important question which could ask in your examination. Okay, okay. So these type of question, okay, you don't need to worry much about. You got the concept of ratio, and now we are good to go to solve this question. So let's first read this question carefully. A flask contains a mixture of 90 liter of alcohol and water. So let's suppose it's a flask, okay, and it has a mixture of alcohol and water. So what you are going to do? You are going to drink it. No, bro. You have to solve the question. Okay, okay. Uh, and water in the proportion 5:2. So he is saying that the ratio of this is 5:2. Okay, how much water must be added to it so that ratio of alcohol to water may be 7:5? So what now you will do? You will add some water here. You will add some water here. Okay, then in a next flask, or in this flask, what will happen? The alcohol and water ratio will be 7:5. So now you have to find uh, okay, you have to find how much water must be added. Okay, because you have added the water, now you don't know the quantity of water. So he's asking you what was the quantity you have added that ratio become this much. I think you all got the question. So how I'm going to tackle this question? First, I know that the alcohol and water quantity is 98 and the ratio is 5:2. So if I add this ratio, it should be equal to this. Now, because if here is alcohol and water and its quantity is 98, but in a ratio it is 5:2, it means 5:2 will be equal to 98. Okay, okay. So first what I will do, I will write alcohol and water, then I'm just going to 5a 2a because it is not exact value. So I'm going to add this 7a will be equal to 98. So a value will be 7 under 7 yeah. Okay, okay. So you got value of alcohol 70 and 20, because when you get the value of a, you get the exact value. How much alcohol is there? 70 a liter, or water is 28 a liter. Now what was the question? Question was that you have added water. Okay, so you have added water. So let's suppose you have added water here. Okay, then the ratio of alcohol to water may be this much. So ratio I can write in a divide form, 7/5. No, so I can write this also in a divide form. I will equate this. So 28 plus x. So 7, 7. 50, 28 plus x. Then 2, 2. So answer will be 22. So you have mixed 22 liter of water. Okay, okay. Why I just find a separate quantity of alcohol and water? Because then I can easily mix water with water. Okay, okay. And I have another way of solving this question. it is a shortcut. So the first is 5:2, second is 7:5. Okay, what the question is saying that you have added the water, it means alcohol quantity will be same throughout this process. Am I right or not? Because if there's a some alcohol and you are giving only water to that person, what he will say? Please give me more alcohol, na? You are only just adding water. It means alcohol quantity is not going to change here. So what I will do, I will also make sure that the ratio will also be same. So I will multiply this ratio by 7 and this by 5, because I can multiply a ratio with any number because it will not affect it. And why I am doing 7 and 5? Because I am making alcohol in equal quantity. So 35 and 14, then 35, then 25. So now add this. This will be 49 and 49 will be equal to 98. So you get one value equal to 2. And how much change here? It is 11 change. So value of 11 will be 2, because if the value of 1 is 2, so 11 value will be 22. Okay. Okay, I think you got this. So now we will deal with second question. A mixture contains milk and water. So milk and water, 3:1. On adding 5 liters of water, so I can use the shortcut method, the 2:1. So what they have added? They have added water. So when they have added water, it means the milk quantity should be same. So I should multiply this by 2, this by 3. Okay, means whole. So I got 6, 2, 6, 3. And what he said, that you have added water. So water you have added. So 1 ratio will be equal to 5. And the quantity of milk in the mixture, so it will be 30. Because if 1 ratio value will be 5, then what will be the value of 6? 6 into 5 will be 30. So this was a shortcut. And if you have to do with a long cut or long method, what you are going to do? First you have to take this ratio 3A 1A. Okay, he said you have added water, so add water in water, because it is a ratio of milk, it is a ratio of water. Then the quantity become milk 2/1. Then solve 3A 2A or 10. Then A will be equal to 10. Then what he asked you, the quantity of milk in the mixture, it will be 30. Okay, I think the question would be पहले वाले में क्या था? Okay, so it will be 30. So you can solve the question with 2 methods. Okay, okay. Hope you got the understanding of the question. And these are the important 2 questions. I am also going to upload more videos, so keep connected with this channel and also join Telegram channel. If I have done some mistake in speaking, I am also learning. So thanks for watching, and if you have any suggestion, please feel free to write this suggestion in comment box. Thanks for watching.